Hi Digital Makers, Christina here from the Raspberry Pi Foundation team. Thank you for joining us for Digital Making at Home, where each week we share a theme and code along videos so that you can code and create from your homes all over the world. I'm here at my home and I'm excited to connect with you. Actually, speaking of connect, that's our theme for this week, making connections. Now, I know for me, it's been really tough being at home and not being able to see my colleagues, my friends and family and connect with them in person. So this week, we're gonna use code to make those connections while we're staying safe at home. So I'm super excited about making connections this week, and I'm actually gonna make a connection right now. I'm gonna send an e-card that I made to my teammate, Kevin. I hope he likes it.
A message from Christina. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It's an e-card. There's a little sun that says, "Hi, Kevin. I hope you're having a good day today. I appreciate you." Oh, this is awesome. Hi, Digital Makers. My name is Kevin, and I'm also a member of the Raspberry Pi Foundation team. And we are so excited to see what you're gonna make this week with all of your projects. So please make sure that you share it with us at rpf.io/home. And remember, these are projects that you can share with your friends, you can share them with your family, you can even send them to all the other young digital makers just like yourself all over the world. That way you can meet new people, maybe collaborate on future projects together. I think that sounds like a great idea. So let's get working, and we cannot wait to see what you're gonna do. And I'm gonna get back to work and send Christina something too. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.